tea!
Hello. Now, we're going to make tea today. Before we make tea, for anyone at all, the first thing we have to remember is that we should treat ourselves as if we've got COVID, bubonic plague, measles and any other transmittable disease you can think of, and the person that you're making the tea for has a compromised immune system. So, first of all, you wash your hands really carefully and then put on a pair of gloves. These gloves are sterile. They will stop your skin and all the stuff that's crawling about on it from touching any of the equipment or the ingredients. You can also wear a face shield and a mask, and so you're not even breathing on it. I'm not going to do that for this demonstration because if I do, the lights will reflect on this thing and you won't be able to see what I'm saying. So here we go. Tea. The most important ingredient of tea is not in fact tea, it's water. The water where we live here above chalk has been running through that chalk for millions of years. It picks up limescale, and limescale is something that you really don't want in your body, certainly not in your tea. So what do? We filter it, and we use one of these nice jugs. Actually, we're going to use more than one of these nice jugs. I'll show you this one. Comes in three parts. The actual filter holder, the glass jug, it's made of borosilicate glass, and the lid. Now ideally I'd like one made out of lead crystal and gold fittings, but I can't find those, so we'll stick with this.